Hey guys, so today we're going to start on the next step of long division. So what you need to know is that sometimes in division things do not go equally into each other. Sometimes we have stuff left over that can't be evenly split back into those boxes that we were making. So for example, we know right here, we're looking, and we know that we're supposed to have how many boxes? This is 2 boxes, 1 and 2, and we have one thing. Can we evenly put one thing in 2 boxes? No, we can't. That's right. So we need to go ahead. We're going to put 0 here because we couldn't, but now we're going to extend it to the whole 13. So now we have 2 boxes to put 13 things. This is box 1, this is box 2. Whatever box 1 gets, box 2 gets 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I put the 1 in here, they won't be equal. Remember, they have to be equal. If I put it in this one, then it wouldn't be equal because they have to be equal. So we know that we can put 6 in each box, right? And we know that because, what are we saying right here? Right here, we're saying 2, or 6 times 2, actually, not 2 times 6. It'll be 6 times 2 equals what? 12. So if you want to, so when we look right here, this is actually the second step. So this is what we did. We said, oh, okay, all of this, but we had 1 left over. And mathematically, this is how it looks because you said 2 times 6 equals 12, right? So here's my 12. And when I subtract 13 and 12, how many do I have left over? That 1. So that 1 is a special thing called a remainder. It's an R1. All right. I have a bigger one over here. So let's look at that one. So now we have 165 divided by 4. Written like this. All right. And we start at the beginning like we have done every other problem. If I have one thing, and remember, this is our boxes. This is how many boxes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? And here's my one thing. I only can put 1 somewhere. Are they even? Does everybody have 1? Nope, they sure don't. So I'm going to erase that right there. And we're going to put a 0 here because we couldn't make any groups. All right, so that leads us to go, and remember, because we didn't use this one, that means because we got a 0, that means we have to use it here. So now I have 16. So what this is asking is if I have 16 things, and I split them into groups of 4, how many are going to be in each group? So we count it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many were in each square? We got 4. And we can see this because, right here, 4 and 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. And that's the number that we put up here. So this works out, right? So then we move over to this 5, all right? So, let's erase it all. Oof. And right here, all right? And remember, so we use this number, so we don't really need to pay attention to it. But now we have the number 5, and we still have 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I have 5 things, so I need to split my 5 things evenly into each of these 4 boxes. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that if I put this dot here, these all become uneven. And they can't be uneven, they have to be even. So my extra dot I'm going to stick right here. Each of my boxes got how many? They got 1. And we know that because we can take this 1 right here times 4. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 4 equals 4. And we could subtract and we'll get 1, just like that leftover 1 we had here. So this guy right here is called your remainder. All right, one more. All right, so we have 247 divided by 4. All right, so we're going to look 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, and our first number is 2. So I have to put 2 and separate it evenly into 4 boxes. 1, 2. I've run out, and that's not even. So that means what? That's right, that it can't work. It doesn't have anything. So we're going to put a 0 here, and we're going to move down. So now we have 24. 24. We can do that, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So, how many were in each box? Well, there's 6 in each box. So, 24 divided by 4 is going to give us 6 things in each box. All right, and then our last number that we have to work with is our 7. All right, so here I am with my 7 right here. I have 7 things, and I need to split them into 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh, we're not even, right? So let me take these out, 1, 2, and 3, because 1, 2, 3, these are my leftovers, all right? But we do know that at least 1 can fit in there, so we did put 1. And we know right here that 1 times 4, because we're working on this separately, but 1 times 4 is 4, right? 1 times 4 equals 4. So if I put that here and subtract from the 7, I should get the remainder of 3. Or 3. All right, so that's it for now. I'm going to come back in a separate video, and we're going to work a little bit more. Bye, guys.